What's up guys, welcome to a new video, welcome to a new challenge. Today we are riding the bike for about 213 kilometers, almost 2000 meters of altitude, climbing. We're in the beautiful region in south of Belgium, the Luxembourg province. First climb, already catching my breath. It's not too warm, not too cold. There are some clouds now, but I'm guessing it will clear up later today. There are about 9 hours of riding ahead of us. Let's see if we can make it. Only 6k in and already 12 to 14% climb. Pretty steep to start with. As you can see, I just dropped the GoPro. Camera is completely cracked. Fuck. And a snack. 62k in, 150 kilometers to go. Keep pedaling. $80k, 1,000 meters of climbing in the books. 133 kilometers to go and about 900 meters of climbing. Still feeling strong. I'm meeting Sofia for lunch close to Namur in about a little less than 40 kilometers. Get some spaghetti in, finish this ride in under 8 hours. Let's go. 5 kilometers to go. Completely smashed. Got a pretty bad headwind. Get comfortable, being uncomfortable, and raise the pain. So I made it home in one piece yesterday. I was completely exhausted. It was the hardest ride ever. 218 kilometers, over 2,100 meters of altitude, under 8 hours. So I'm pretty proud about that. Immediately after I came home, I ordered the GoPro protective lens. Just got it in the mail. So let's get it installed right away. So the GoPro is fixed. It was that easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want more, and see you in the next one. Bye.